cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe.
Take it away, feeling too good to me, Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, on my channel and my vlogs, I've been talking about prepping for the new year, launching your business, and generating sales. So I thought, why not come to you guys and tell you guys how you can make some money online. I love making money online, so let's just go ahead and dive in and talk about it. I'm somebody that I have lots and lots of ideas that actually sometimes never get off the ground, and I don't want you to be like me. I want you to be able to be confident in selling online. This video is sponsored by BookBolt because they have a system that helps you put your book online. So let's go to my digital products tab in my master files for my business. I have a few different things that I'm going to launch, but specifically for this video, we are going to be putting this ebook on Amazon. So it's a few things that we're gonna have to do to make this come to life. So the inside of what I'm gonna be selling are already done, and I'm also going to be adding, I wrote another ebook called the YouTube Hustle. I'm gonna be also adding in some tips and tricks within this. So this is a 10-page planner right now. What I have to do is I have to change the cover. It says 2023. Let's go ahead and make a 2024 calendar for all of my YouTube content creators. I think that no matter what, you need to start a YouTube channel and monetize. I'm biased. YouTube has changed my life, literally. And I just feel like it's hard for, minorities to get loans at the bank, to create extra streams of income, all of that. And I feel like leveraging, an audience online has opened me up to even more revenue streams. Back to the one that we're talking about today, the one that I want you guys to jumpstart with me. And let me tell you why this makes me excited. It makes me excited because I'm able to see all of my competitors that's in the social media content planner realm, see what they're pricing it. And BookBolt has a system on its back end that you're able to search competitors, search keywords, see where they have priced the price point of it, see how their actual covers look, and honestly, this cover looks better than the ones that I see. So I want to go ahead and put this on, and this will be actually something that somebody buys on Amazon and gets it. So you can sell this as a digital. I like selling digital products, but using BookBolt, it's gonna spit us out something that we're gonna have in our hand and that people can buy. So I'm super excited about that. So let's go ahead and turn on our computer and get inside of BookBolt to launch our book. We're gonna go ahead and launch our book. Let's go. All right, so we are on the back end of BookBolt. Meet BookBolt. Start your 3-day free trial. BookBolt is here to help us put our actual book planner or whatever you want to come up with on Amazon. No upfront costs, no big amount of fees. Like if you wanted to get into having your own book. Now, I am a published author. I published my first book in 2016. I'm the author of Pretty and Educated, A Girl's Guide on Amazon. And now I'm stepping into planners. So I'm the type of girl that I have all of these notebooks. Like, it's really no joke. I plan things out and I write things out. You guys, I've come up with a planner that is perfect for the girl getting into YouTube or who is already in YouTube and has a schedule and needs to write things down and video ideas and to keep up with things and all of that. So I put it in a book and I'm excited about it. And BookBolt is gonna literally help me go through with this and make sure everything looks good. So we're gonna bring up the back end of how I'm able to search keywords to even know if I'm putting out a book that is going to generate money. You know, we want to be making money in our sleep, and we need the internet, the World Wide Web. We need that to work for us, and BookBolt has a system, a back-end system. So let's go over the products feature. The products feature will tell you exactly the best sellers for a particular product you have in mind. So on the right hand side, you're going to select planner because that's something that we know that I want to create and maybe you want to create too. On the left hand side, we're going to look at keywords for the specific category of product that we want to do. So maybe entrepreneurship, business, who is your target audience? That's who we're going to be searching the keywords for. What would they be searching for? And let's see what we get here. So on the right hand side, we have related keywords. This is very helpful because right next to it, it says how many people are typing this particular keyword in on Amazon. So look, we have entrepreneurship books, entrepreneurship for dummies. We got a few different things here. We got a few different things that we can make a product for. Social entrepreneurship, youth entrepreneurship, fashion entrepreneurship, female entrepreneurship. We got a lot to work with. Now in the middle of the screen, it's a list of books that are coming up because it has entrepreneurship in the title. So we see how many sales they are generating in the last 30 days, what they are pricing, and you can go through all of this to make sure that your book is perfect, of course. To take a deeper look in and see what our competitors are doing, we can go to keywords on the far left, and this is going to help us search even more, okay? We want to make sure that our SEO and keywords are ranking well, so this is why we have to do the research prior to putting our book up so that we know where our book will sit. So when we type in entrepreneurship planner, it's going to give us some, hold on, gotta spell entrepreneurship right. Make sure that you're typing the words right or no information will come up, and information should come up. Okay, so from here, what you can do in order for you to know how big the competition is, you can go on Amazon and type in entrepreneurship planner. So when we go over to Amazon, we're going to see all of the books that are coming up under entrepreneurship planner. Boom. This is our entrepreneur books. We know the competition. We can see it. It's right here. So then when we go over here, we're trying to make sure that we're picking keywords that's under probably about 2,000 clicks. Like we want to know that people are searching for it. If it's too many people searching for it, then we won't rank. But if it's too little searching for it and it's nobody clicking on it, then nobody will buy it either. So we want to hit the sweet spot with this. So we can also use another keyword like just planner. And as you can see these numbers, this is how much searches on this in the last 30 days. So these numbers are really, really high. It means we're in the right direction. We should put out a planner, but we want to specifically get keywords that's under 2,000 because that means that we're going to actually target our buyers. If it's too high, we're not going to be able to rank. If it's too low and nobody's searching for it, then we're also not going to get sales. So just remember that. But look, get some ideas, freelance planner, smart planner, all of this. Now we're going to go back into Amazon, type in what we're trying to rank in, and we're going to see what our competitors are doing. I don't even see no cute thumbnails or no cute cover designs for this. So we know that, listen, we could rank in the freelance planner category because they kind of suck. Now that you guys get the gist of it, let's actually search for what I'm trying to rank in, a YouTube planner. So when I type in YouTube planner, I'm using a keyword, and boom, we have under 2,000 of people like searching in this area. It's good. It's a green. It's a go. We're going to also go over here and we're going to type in YouTube planner and we're going to see what they got. Okay, this is what they got. I think my cover design would be amazing over here. Let's do it. Let's do it. So lastly, guys, over here on the left hand side, we are able to actually build out our book. So when you go to create, this is what the back end looks like for creating your book. You can create it on Canva or you can create it in here. They have a lot of stock images that you can use. They have some template pages that you can use. So it's whatever. It's kind of however you want your book design to be. But I'm excited to be partnering with BookBook to bring you guys more ideas to generate revenue at home. So, yeah. I feel like when I'm in the house, I go from one area to the next working on designs. Right now, I'm working on my Glow Up Your Life Entrepreneur Financial Budgeting Planner. I really wanted to come up with this because it's a lot of budgeting and planning that an entrepreneur actually has to do. So I feel like when you work a regular job, like you budget and plan like your personal life, but like when you have another business added on top, like you have to write that out. And I just feel like it's little things that have to be written out, like, you know, the monthly fee that I'm paying with Bookball, which is very, very affordable, like very low, but let's be real, we have to write that. That's a business thing. Even down to Canva, I'm literally working on this new design. So I am actually, you know, doing my designs for my books. So that is also an exciting part for me as well of designing it. So I personally am using Canva to design my book covers and like the interior, and then going into Bookball. But Bookball has a back end that you can design things over there. Like literally, you guys, they have graphics, they have like, you know, text and stuff that you can add into there. So they also have pre-made templates that you can use to design your book. So I 100% think it's something that you need to check out if you're into any type of creative of designing a book and wanting to have a book and putting something out. This is something that you can literally do now. Design something, you know, design something now. Don't push it off and say, oh, maybe one day when, why not now? These are the ones that I'm working on pushing out. I'm super excited about it. And this is something that you can continuously do, continuously put out, you know, a new planner for the year coming up or whatever, for real, for real. So Bookball has made it easy for us. I'm giving you the shortcut, the easy peasy, easy way. The link is in my description box. Go ahead and click it. Go ahead and spend your $20 on the software and the back end that's going to help you do this keyword research and get your book on Amazon. Just go ahead and pay it. Like, click that link. Just go ahead and do it, because I know you want to actually hold this in your hand as well, just like me. Like I want now. Let's do it now. Can we talk about how making money from home is such a mode that you have to get into mentally? Like a lot of times you are locked in on your computer trying to come up with and create and make this amazing product to push out. And it does take time to do that. And I just wanted to throw that in here because as easy as it is to make this money, you do have to lock in at home and just in your zone. For me, creating content and creating planners, books, coloring books, even that, I feel like you just have to have the patience. You guys, I have also been like drawing more, so it's so many ideas that I'm having at home. So I've also been drawing lately. I have this new sketch that I did. I wanted to do like some roses, like a rose field. So I've been even doing things like this. I could see myself coming up with like an adult coloring book, just because I find it so therapeutic to just do. I see myself hosting a few more like coloring girls nights where you could just talk and then have your markers and do stuff. So that would also be a type of book that I would be designing on Bookball. Like right now, as you guys can see, I'm inside of Bookball. This is my YouTube planner that I'm working on right now, and adding in more pages and stuff. But that's kind of just like how I am working at home and stuff, just designing books and things like that. Like literally, who doesn't like additional income, additional revenue that can be coming in? You can create as many of these as you want using Bookball and upload them to Amazon. So if you have an idea, whether it's a cookbook, a recipe, your grandma recipe, a gym guide, a morning affirmations book, like I really want you guys to get creative. You can create something. You have something in your notes that you've been thinking about, and Bookball is going to be here to help you put that out. It is the end of the year. I want you to try it. You don't know until you know. You don't know until you know. The revenue that you could make, you're just sitting on, and you could actually do it too. So I'm gonna have the link in my description box so that you guys can sign up for Bookball and get a book out. I would love to know what ideas that you have for your low content books that you're gonna be putting on Amazon, and I'm excited to see what you do in 2024. We got this, we got this, we got this. If you're still not convinced, here are 3 reasons why you as a bookseller would want to use Bookball with launching your book. 1, the research, keyword research is huge. It's going to be your best friend with selling these books. So it has this packed in there where you're able to search competitors, see their book covers, and then also see where you would want to place your book. So that's number 1. Number 2 is the studio. The studio allows you to drag your images in or create your book in the studio. So the studio has some amazing features that you should check out for designing your book. And lastly, number 3, Bookball has weekly training for its members, so you can get more tips and tricks for coming out with your books and making money through Amazon KDP. Okay, they want all of their people making money. This is a making money summer. Okay, so if this is something that you're thinking about doing, that you feel like you have the creative juices for, I don't care if it's a cookbook, just something you've been wanting to come out. I mean, definitely help us in the comment section below. Tell us some ideas, some book ideas that the girls could use, because you know sometimes the girls be acting like they too scared. They too scared. Okay, let me know what book you're creating. Join my challenge. Put something out on Amazon KDP. Use Bookball. I'm gonna have my link. Let's do it, guys. I can't wait to see what you guys create. All right.